To use an Apple gift card for a subscription, start by making sure you have an Apple gift card with a sufficient balance to cover the cost of the subscription. You can check your balance by visiting the Apple website or by using the Apple Store app on your device. Next, open the App Store on your Apple device and navigate to the subscription you want to purchase, such as Apple Music or Apple TV Plus. Tap the subscribe button to begin the process. You will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you do not have an Apple ID, you will need to create one before proceeding. Once you are signed in, you will be asked to confirm your subscription and payment method. Tap the Use Gift Card option and enter the gift card code to apply the balance to your subscription. If the gift card balance is sufficient to cover the cost of the subscription, the amount will be deducted from the card and the subscription will be activated. If the gift card balance is not sufficient, you will be prompted to add a secondary payment method to cover the remaining cost. This can be a credit or debit card, or another gift card. After confirming your payment method, review the terms and conditions of the subscription and tap the subscribe button to complete the process. Your subscription will now be active and you can begin using the service. It is essential to note that Apple gift cards can only be used to purchase subscriptions and content from the App Store, and cannot be used for other Apple purchases, such as hardware or accessories. Additionally, make sure to keep track of your gift card balance and subscription renewal dates to avoid any unexpected charges. By following these steps, you can easily use an Apple gift card to purchase a subscription and enjoy your favorite Apple services. Always review the terms and conditions of your subscription and keep track of your gift card balance to ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience.